Hey guys, late night in the garden. It's about 11 p.m. and you can see a lot of green peppers. See, this one's actually ready. It's a mustard primatale, and we're only looking at the top layer here. If we look under, there's stuff under here too. There's layers. This is just one section there. Not even a section, that's like one or two plants. We're loading up, guys. Unfortunately, mostly everything is still green, but it is loading. And you can see we got a lot of crazy looking peppers. I like it hot. A little bit of color in there. It's two different plants here. That's just a really long branch. You can see what these pods look like. It's not ready. Oh, I let that one rot. I should have picked it. Oh man. Too soft and mushy. They're under here. You can get down low. They're hiding in there. Guys, this plant is probably about 6 feet tall. You can see most of my stuff is not ready to pick, but it is loaded. That's the same plant. You can see the branches in the back there that are loaded up. Looks pretty cool at night. Here's some stuff turning red. There we go. Look at this loaded down branch here. From flowers to small pods. The tail is crazy. This branch is getting weighed down. These are crazy looking too. Which I love that. Got a little purple. Gotta love some purple looking. I mean, we still got flowers, guys, on a lot of plants. Just really lots of flowers. See all those flowers? So this plant has all these peppers in it, but all these flowers still coming in. And it's consistent, right? You can see all the flowers, the little white flowers. They're gonna turn into peppers. Here's some more stuff. Look at that. Guys, I've only shown you one row. And I'm skipping plants too. I'm really only seeing what pops out from the camera. I mean, I could go in here and can almost guarantee you we're gonna find something. See, either flowers or pods. Oh yeah, here's my Trinidad scorpions over here. There's some, oh yeah, that's some Carolina Reapers, I believe, coming in there. And then behind it, we got Scotch bonnets back there. Finally, I was getting nothing this week. They're starting to turn. Scotch bonnets, and then behind that, I think it's ghosts. So yeah, pretty cool. Pretty cool. Just loading up, guys. What is up? The garden is loading. Isn't this so cool, man? Look at that, guys. I'm just showing you a little bit. Like, this is a first time garden. And it's not perfect. It's not perfect. But it's pretty dang good. Check out these ahi Peruvians. These little skinny peppers hanging. Got some red ones. They're not huge. I was hoping they would get a little bigger, but these are the tasty. These are my low heat, all flavor peppers there. But that plant's pretty loaded down too. It's tall and it's loaded. And I got this bush behind it. Bush of a plant. Look at this pepper. Holy crap. Look at the size of that. These peppers are giant. I think it's an Andes Unreaper green. Got a lot of flowers coming in still. I'm not even going to try to go down there between those bushes of plants right now. I'm just looking for the easy to get to stuff. Guys, if I show you, like, this is a tunnel of pepper plants. And there's peppers all over the place. You like it bumpy? Bumpy pods? You like chocolate? Look at this tree stalk of a plant. There you go. There's so much growing. So much growing. It's weird, I got a taller ahi plant over there, but very little peppers. This other one's loaded down. Now, I use different types of compost. I wonder if it's that, or I wonder if it's the position of the plant getting more sun on one side. Here, we'll see if I can sneak in a little deeper here. I want to show you some more stuff. I have so much. You know, I feel blessed by saying that, and that's a true statement. I do have so much, but I have so many peppers, man. Look at this big old purple pepper. Big old purple pepper. Speaking of big old purple pepper, look how purple that is. I think that's the Purple Reaper. And I was waiting to see if those were going to change more colors, because I thought I was picking them too early, but I think these Purple Reapers, I think that's pretty much what you get there. Which is cool. Actually, I'm not going to go that side. It's dark. I don't want to mess anything up. We'll walk around real quick, see what we can see. Oh yeah, and on the side note, I still got my little stuff I never up potted, and it continues to produce peppers. I don't get a lot, but I'm getting peppers consistently off of these little plants. Obviously they're way smaller than the ones that I up potted, but they do have peppers. Not much, but it's onesie twosies. I pick them and then a few more grow, and then it's pretty much how that goes. I'll show you this in the daylight tomorrow. But I am digging the garden. Now, if I show you more eye level here, look at that. I mean, you can just walk up and find stuff. Everywhere you look, you're like, oh wait, what's under here? It's like peppers everywhere. So you got to look high and low, because if you look low, you can find stuff. Look at those chocolates. Oh man, those are huge. Oh man, it's loaded down there. If I get down low, see, I can find stuff you don't see standing up. And it's like that all throughout every row.